Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Oxygen. First, ensure you have a working WordPress installation. Then, download the Oxygen Builder plugin from your account. Upload and activate it like any other plugin. After activation, navigate to the Oxygen settings to input your license key. This step is crucial for receiving automatic updates and accessing all premium features. You'll be ready to start building in just a few moments. Once Oxygen is active, head to the Oxygen settings to begin your initial configuration. Start by defining your global styles. This includes setting your primary and secondary colors, choosing your default fonts, and establishing heading styles. These global settings will apply across your entire website, saving you significant time. Also, remember to adjust your breakpoints for responsive design, ensuring your site looks fantastic on screens from mobile to desktop. Now, let's build your first page. Create a new page in WordPress and click Edit with Oxygen. Inside the editor, you'll find a blank canvas. Start by adding a section element, then drag and drop columns to create your layout. Populate these with basic elements like headings, text, and images. The Structure panel on the left provides a clear overview of your page elements, making organization straightforward and efficient. Oxygen offers powerful advanced features to streamline your workflow. Consider creating reusable templates for headers, footers, or entire page layouts. Global blocks are perfect for elements you want to update site-wide from one place. You can also set conditions to show or hide elements based on various criteria. Always remember to save your work regularly using the Save button and preview your changes to ensure everything looks perfect before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.